Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
At the peak of India-China face-off last year in Ladakh, Chinese army mocked Indian army by sharing series of propaganda videos where cargo drones were transporting hot meals, equipments, weapons, etc. to the PLA soldiers in their frontline positions. But we know what PLA eats in their meal. PLA mocked Indian army because we don't have such capability by then. But now, time has changed and we are more focused and working on our weaknesses. What you are looking at is the first public image of Indian Army's new cargo drone type known as MR-20, developed by Indian firm RAFE M-Fiber. It is totally Make in India high altitude drone. Last month, the company was awarded an emergency procurement contract for 48 MR-20 hexacopter drones capable of carrying load up to 20 kg each. The image above is from high altitude trials of the drone in Ladakh this year. The main motive are where the drones will be deployed once supply begins. The company has already given the Indian Army a small number of drones for training and readiness before they start delivering later this year. This is not the first time Army is going for swarm of drones. On September 3rd, Indian Army has awarded Bangalore-based startup New Space Research and Technology a $15 million contract to supply 100 swarm drones unit. The contract was awarded under emergency procurement rules active since India-China standoff in Ladakh began last year, forcing a swing of fast-track procurement initiatives. Now, talking about MR-20 drones, it will be capable of ferrying food, essential items, emergency medical aid, ammunition and weapons to troops deployed at height in forward areas. The Indian Army has already begun formulating protocols for drone use in crucial last miles logistic operation in a live operational theater that has been active since May 2020 following the massive deployment by Chinese Army along the line of control in eastern Ladakh. Now, Indian Army has been looking to put drones to work across a number of tasks and functions for high altitude. Apart from MR-20 drones, the company offers two types of drones, Nister and SOT. Nister is a hybrid vertical takeoff landing UAV with maximum endurance capacity of 150 minutes, which is best among the Indian UAVs. Its high endurance make it proficient for surveillance missions. On another hand, SOT is a lightweight unibody quadcopter weighing only 1.75 kg. It can operate round the clock with a flight time of 45 minutes. The UAV is apt for surveillance and aerial monitoring.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your view about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions on any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our channel if you have not done already. We will soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in the defense sector.